Who will not buy this soap now? Tell me, who will not buy it? Who will not buy it? Who will not buy it? Can you see? See. You're welcome back. Today we are looking at how to produce this beautiful, very foamy and profitable soda soap that will not peel the hand. We're using caustic soda 200 grams. We'll be using soda ash only 50 grams. We'll be using XLS sodium lauryl sulfate 30 grams, calcium 100 grams. That's our bleach palm oil 750 ml. I didn't bleach it very well because I wanted that color. I didn't bleach it very well. 250 pKo and 1.1 liters of water. Just watch to the end so you see how I use this water. I use this caustic soda for that water, and I use soda ash for the water in the cup, and I use XLS. So what did I do? I poured in my caustic soda inside the water, 800 ml of water, and I poured in my soda ash into 200 ml of water, and I poured in my XLS into 100 ml of water, and I left everything. After stirring, I left them for about 1 hour to dissolve and to get cold. I still put the list of I still put the measurement of how I use the water at the end of the video, so just watch to the end to see very well how I did the mixture. So my oil is 750 ml. I'm adding my pKo to fill up the cup. So I use 750 ml of bleached palm oil. So I've added 250 ml of pKo to make it 1 liter of oil. So we are jumping right into production. So I've poured in my pKo and bleach palm oil inside my mixing bowl. Remember, we're using bleach palm oil. I wanted that color, so I didn't bleach my oil very well. I've added my calcium. I've added 100 grams of calcium into my oils, and I'm stirring it to dissolve very well. Remember, I used 750 ml of bleach palm oil, and I used 250 ml of pKo. I bleached that palm oil using chemical. I'll be linking a video on how you can bleach your oil using chemical in the description. So watch and check out the description for that video. So I'm adding my soda ash solution. Remember I said I'll be putting the measurement of how I did these solutions at the end of the video. So please watch till the end. Look at how beautiful it's coming up already. Why did I pour soda ash first? There are times that you use certain oils. Now you pour in your caustic soda to just congeal. So pouring in your soda ash first would help you to emulsify your oil before pouring in your caustic soda so that it will take it. It will not congeal. It will still remain fluidy all through. Remember, we are pouring it into cups, so we need it to be fluidy all through. So now I'm adding my lye solution, my caustic soda solution. Your lye solution simply means your caustic soda solution. So I've poured it in, and it is time to give this soap a very good stir. The secret of producing a very beautiful soap is in the stirring. Stir very, very well, especially when you're using either tallow or palm oil. Stir very, very well. So I'm adding my excellent solution. I use 100 ml of water for this, but if you have foaming booster, there's no need for that. Just add 100 ml of foaming booster and you're good. If you have foaming booster, there's no need for you to use that SLS solution. Just leave that out. Use only 1 liter of water in total, and then add 100 ml of your foaming booster. I don't have foaming booster right now. That's what I'm using. That's why I said to improvise, and I use my XLS dissolved in 100 ml of water. But when you have foaming booster, please just use foaming booster instead. Use 100 ml of foaming booster. So that's my soap. It's not properly traced yet. So if you make soap, you will know when a soap is traced. If you raise up your spatula or whatever, it will draw a line on top of the soap. So we are still going there. Our soap is yet to, but it's coming up very, very beautifully. This my soda ash is very beautiful, and is also very, very profitable. So just watch to the end to see how I did this, and also to see how I made those solutions. I put the measurement of how I made those solutions at the end of the video. So here we go. See beautiful butter. Can you see how fluffy it is? Can you see? See now. See my soap now. Can you see how beautiful this batter is? Okay, let's go. Our batter's going into the cups. How much do you sell this size of soap in your area? Let me know in the comments. Comment, let's know, let's discuss. We are family now. Oh yeah, let's talk now. Family meeting. How much do you sell, or how much will you sell this size of soap if you want to sell it? Or how much is this size of soap sold in your location? Let's sample opinion. Let's sample opinions. We have to be very, very fast here, because if you're not fast, it will just get solid. If not that we poured our soda ash first, it will get solid very fast. But because of the soda ash we poured first, it's helping us, but yet you still have to be very, very fast. I am asking, I said, how much is this size of soap sold in your area? How much is this soda soap sold in your area? Let's talk. Or yeah, discuss in the comment. Tell me, how much is this sold in your area? Even though I'm trying to be fast, it's getting solid already, but please, just have to be fast. Be very, very fast. And I stirred it again to make it fluidy. To make it very, very liquid so that it can go right into my cups. Is my soap not beautiful? Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, like this video now. Oh yeah, like my video now. Oh yeah, like it now. I'm teaching you how to produce very beautiful, foamy, and profitable soda soap. I have like 2 videos on soda soap on this channel already, but I'm always looking for more ways, new ways to make your business profitable. That's why I went to formulate this for you. So please just give me a thumbs up, like this video now, bikonu. And if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please like it. I give you value overload here. Please like my video. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel and also share to your family and friends, and they will thank you for sharing value to them. Instead of sharing those unvaluable posts around WhatsApp, please share this video. Whoever watches this will bless you. They'll bless the day they came across you. Please share this video. Please like it now. Like it. Look at me. I already have 2 videos on soda soap on this channel, but with this one, you can't beat the profitability here. Imagine all the soap I got from just 1 liter of oil. At least you saw me do it. 1 liter, just 1 liter. And I got all the soap. When I unmold it, we are going to count it and find out how many pieces of soap we have here. But please like my video. Please subscribe if this is your first time coming across my channel. Okay, we are done. Look at that soap now. Very beautiful. Can you see? Oh yeah, now. Ngwanu, see now. See now. See now. See beautiful soap. Can you see how beautiful this soap is? Wow. And like I said, if you're making this for sale, please ensure you smoothen the surface. Don't mind me, I'm teaching you. I didn't take time to smoothen the surface of the soap, so it's not sitting well on the table. So make sure you use something to flatten it, to smoothen it, to make it equal so that it can sit very well. Especially when you know you're going to be selling them, you're going to be displaying them. So ensure you use either a spatula or even your spoon or whatever you want to use, a knife, whatever, just to make the surface smooth so that it can sit well. See how beautiful soda soap is. This soap not beautiful? This soap is so beautiful. This soap is so beautiful. Don't mind me. My hair, I didn't pack it because my intention was not for my face to show. My cameraman didn't do a good job, but all the same, it's good. All things work together for good. You're seeing my beautiful face, Abi. You've not seen me for a long time. My intention was not for my face to show. That's why I didn't bother to pack my hair. But my cameraman wanted you to see me, so you're seeing my face. Can you see 25 pieces of this soap from just 1 liter of oil? 25 pieces. How much will you sell this soap? Oh yeah, let's calculate now. How much did it produce us to? How much did it cost us to produce from the list of items I used here? Let's do the calculation. Yeah, tell me, how much profit will I get from this soap? How much will I sell one? I want to make you my business analyst now. How much will I sell one? How much did it cost me to produce using the cost of the items I used? And then tell me how much is my profit. Oh yeah, now I've made you my consultant. See now, see Foamy soda soap. Some people that will come in and tell me this is not how soda soap is made. You don't need to live in the 1980s. Nobody want to buy that soda soap that you will use and use it will not foam. People like to use quality things. Everything is changing. Also change your production. Don't stick to the old method of making soda soap. If anybody comes to buy these soaps from you, the next day they will come back and look for you. Why? Because you have given them value. You have added value to them. Don't stick and say, hey, this is not how to make soda soap. Do it well. Those white one, I made them with tallow. See my tallow soda soap. Please join my membership. If you join my membership, I'll be posting this video on how I made this soap using tallow in my membership. And if you don't want to join my online training, send me a WhatsApp message on the number above. Join my membership or my online class to see how I produced this my tallow soda soap. The white one, I made them with tallow. So join my membership or join my online class. I'll be posting this video very, very soon. Yes, they're so beautiful and very strong. Oh. So beautiful and very strong. Send a WhatsApp message now to join my online class or click the link in the description. I'll be leaving a link to join my class in the description. So please click it or send me a WhatsApp message right now. Thank you so much. Let's see. Here comes the solution. So I use 200 grams of caustic soda plus 800 ml of water. I use 50 grams of soda ash plus 200 ml of water, and I use 300 SLS.